Opening the Grid Connect app lands you on the home screen. In this video, we will look at the individual product user interfaces. Here we are in the home office where I have set up a smart power board. I've plugged in my printer, laptop, the lamp and my charger. On the app, navigate to the power board, through rooms to the office, and there it is. Using the master off-on, all points on the board are off or on. When the product icon goes green, we know it's switched on, turning grey when it is switched off. Tapping here takes me going deeper into the power board, giving me control over each of the outlets, so I can turn on or off each device individually. In this lamp is a smart globe. To find the globe on your phone, go to Rooms, navigate to the office, and there it is. Control widgets enable product functionality, such as brightness, or colour temperature, or colour to be controlled. The extent of control you will have over each individual smart device will vary from product and brand.